Hello everyone, I am Vijay Thapa and welcome to my channel. Today I am back with a new video and today I will talk on how long does it take to make a tutorial. So without further ado, let's start our video. So let's assume that our tutorial is gonna be 1 hour long. So to create a tutorial that's 1 hour long and publish it, let's break the time that takes me personally. The time could vary from other creators, so let's break the time duration for me. To create a video tutorial that is 1 hour long, first thing I do is record a video for around 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes or 20 minutes long. And to record my video, I usually use Camtasia software that records all of my screen. And Camtasia doesn't make video file as soon as the recording ends. So to make a video file, I need to render it in Camtasia itself. So to render the video, it takes another 1 hour. So I recorded the video first. I recorded the video for 1 hour and 50 minutes long. Then it takes another 1 hour to make a video file. Okay, and then after I get the video file from Camtasia, then I again import it to Adobe Premiere Pro, where I do most of my editing things. I have to cut some things or manage some things, add some things, cut some things, and I also use Adobe Audition to optimize the video. So to edit and optimize things in Adobe Premiere, it takes me another 2 hours. So after the editing part is done, then again I have to render it in Adobe Premiere. So it takes me another 2 hours in my PC. So yeah, my PC is some kind of old and it takes more time. So till now, how long do I have? First recording for 1 hour, rendering in Camtasia for another 1 hour, editing for 2 hours, and finally rendering on Premiere for 2 hours. So it has been 6 hours of creating a video. And then our another phase comes, which is publishing the video on YouTube. So to publish the video on YouTube, that's 1 hour long. It takes me another 1 hour to publish or upload the video on YouTube. Then after I have finally completed the uploading the video on YouTube, it takes me another 1 hour for YouTube to process it into SD and SD version. During that time I do other stuffs like update my title for the video, update description, add tags, add it in the screen, add annotation, and manage some ads. Okay, so altogether it takes me around 8 hours of time to create a tutorial that is 1 hour long. And most of my courses have around 5 or 10 or more than that videos in a single course. So it's a long hour for me to prepare a whole course. Okay, and YouTube is not my full time. I have to work on other client projects as well as some personal projects because I need to pay the bills. YouTube ad revenue doesn't pay the bill, and in my country we do not have international payment method like PayPal or Stripe yet. So I cannot accept any donation from you guys as well. So sometimes I lose motivation on creating tutorials, but I will keep tutorial because comments from you guys like how my tutorials has helped you academically as well as on professional level. That always keeps me motivated, and I will always make tutorials and upload it, but I cannot promise you that I will make more often, but I will try my best to make more tutorials as soon or as often as possible. Okay, and if you also want me to support, or if you really like content or tutorial that I make, then you can always share with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel. And this way it helps my channel to grow, as well as your family and your friends can also learn software development or web development for free. So this is how I make tutorials and how I publish it, and this is the time that takes for me. And apart from that, I have a good news for you guys. From coming week I'll be uploading tutorials on new course, so stay tuned and hope you will enjoy. And till then, stay safe, take care. I'll see you on new tutorial. Bye bye.